5 a.m. hose repair. I've already changed the clamp. I cut one piece. It was busted here. It was probably 2 feet from the end from yesterday. I've already cut it off from the other hose. Took my repair kit off, added it to the new piece, and now I'm just battening everything down. I could have put this on the vise, but you know, nothing like a 5 a.m. pump, you know what I'm saying? 5 a.m. pump. Get them guns right. Prepare for when you don't have the vise. Almost there. Almost at it. All right, bottomed out. Reused hose repair kit clamp.